In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale images in ClipDrop. Upscaling is a quick way to boost the resolution of a photo so it looks sharper on websites, prints, or presentations. ClipDrop uses AI to add detail intelligently, so even small or slightly blurry images can look more polished. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. Start by opening your web browser and going to clipdrop.co. Any modern browser works, and a stable internet connection helps the processing run smoothly. When the site loads, look for the navigation bar and select Tools. This opens a gallery of features available on ClipDrop. From the Tools list, choose Image Upscaler. This is the feature designed to increase resolution while preserving edges, textures, and overall clarity. You'll land on a simple upload page with a large area labeled Paste or Drop. Click that area to select a file from your computer or drag and drop an image directly onto it. You can also paste from your clipboard if you copied an image moments ago. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and WebP work well. For best results, start with the cleanest version of your image you have, and make sure you have the right to use it. Once your image is loaded, click Upscale. The tool will process automatically. The time it takes depends on your image size and your connection. You may see a preview as it works, often with a before and after comparison, which is helpful for checking fine details such as hair, text edges, or product textures. If a prompt appears to downscale and continue, go ahead and click it. This option is typically offered when the current output exceeds a limit for downloading. It reduces the exported dimensions slightly so you can continue, but it keeps the improvements the AI made to sharpness and detail. If you ever need the absolute maximum output, you can explore plan options on your own later. For now, this step lets you finish the workflow without interruption. When the upscaling is complete, click Download. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider renaming the file to include something like Upscaled so you can easily tell it apart from the original. If you care about file size, saving as JPEG will keep it lighter. If you want minimal compression, PNG is a solid choice. That's it. You've taken an image from ordinary to crisp with just a few clicks. Keep your original file as a backup, compare results side by side, and use the upscaled version wherever you need a sharper, more professional look.